In the wild, survival is everything. Every step could be your last. Hidden in the grass, a deadly predator waits, silent, patient, and extremely venomous. With lightning-fast reflexes and toxic venom, one bite is enough to end the fight instantly. But today, it picked the wrong opponent. This is the honey badger, known as one of the most fearless animals on Earth. Thick skin, powerful claws, and an attitude that fears nothing. The snake attacks, but the honey badger is too fast, dodging within milliseconds. Strike after strike, the battle turns intense. One mistake could mean death. And then it happens. The snake lands a perfect bite. The venom starts working. The honey badger slows down and collapses. It looks like the fight is over, but this is no ordinary animal. With natural resistance to venom, it recovers and returns even stronger. And this time, it doesn't hold back. With speed, power, and pure aggression, the battle reaches its end. In the wild, fearlessness can be the greatest weapon. Would you dare face this fearless beast? Comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insane animal battles.